Hi, this is Kurt down at Carns Equipment with a 2026 Kawasaki Brute Force 750 Special Edition. This is a new color for this year. It's called Deep Gold Sparkle Metallic Green or something like that. Man, I think I got all the words, but maybe not in the right order. But you may not be able to see it on the video, but it is a green with a kind of goldish tint to it. Really pretty color. Obviously, it'd be even better in the sun, even though it's snowing right now, but great machine. Brute Force is a V-twin 750, so a lot of power here. Very dependable unit. The Brute Force has been out for a long time, been a great unit. Obviously, they've made some changes over the years, and we got some really nice changes here. You got the steel and composite racks, so obviously you can throw your gear on here. It's not going to tear them up, but you got the racks to, you know, tie it down if you need to tie it down. You got the full front bumper on this one. So nice big bumper all the way out to the edge here. You got the handguard, matching color handguards. I will turn the key on because we do have some newer headlights and they are nice and bright. So you got lots of great light there. Obviously you got the light up here as well. You got the Warren winch down there, so you've got a winch there in case you get stuck, or you want to add a plow to it. You can add a plow. Like I said, handguards, 2-wheel, 4-wheel drive here. Electric start, of course it is fuel injected as well. You can see you've got the black and gold there on the sides and the decals. Nice bright LED lights on the back. You've got a spot if you wanted to throw a ball on there to hook up on something. You got a little bit of storage on the other side and then a little bit of storage here as well. So you can throw a little bit of gear in there. Obviously that's why they got the racks, and they've got the updated display, which is really nice, really easy to read color and everything. So great machine. So if you're looking for a great ATV like this one, come down to Carns Equipment in Clearfield. You can also call us at 814-765-5684, and you can find it on our website at carnsequipment.com.